Good morning, children. Now, today I am going to teach you Tansen, the Magical Musician, Part 5. Tansen knew that singing Deepak Raga was dangerous, but he also knew that if Megh Raga, which brings the rain, could be sung at the same time, he would be saved from the fury of fire. But how can I sing both ragas at the same time? Tansen thought worriedly to himself as he roamed in his garden. Suddenly he remembered Rupa, a devoted disciple of Haridas. With the permission of Haridas, Rupa agreed to sing. Rupa was already a very good musician. Tansen used the 15-day preparation time granted by Akbar to train her. At the end of the 2 weeks, Rupa had perfected the singing of Megh Raga. So children, what happened? As Akbar has ordered Tansen to sing Deepak Raga, so Tansen has to follow his command. Tansen knew that singing Deepak Raga is dangerous, but he got an idea of Megh Raga. If it is sung at the same time. Okay, what is Megh Raga? Like Deepak Raga, Megh Raga is also a type of Raga. So Deepak Raga can lit a lamp, but Megh Raga can bring rain. So he thought if Deepak Raga is sung at the same time, okay, if Megha Raga is also sung, if Deepak Raga and Megha Raga is sung at the same time, then he would be saved from the dangerous fire. So he was worried what to do. So an idea struck in his mind that he remembered Rupa, a devoted disciple of Haridas. She was a good musician. So he asked Akbar for 15 days preparation to train her. And after 2 weeks, Rupa was perfect in singing of Megh Raga. Okay. On the day of the performance, the court was packed. Unlit lamp was placed on the wall. As soon as the emperor entered and sat on the throne, Tansen began the alap. As Tansen sang on, the surrounding air got warmer. The audience started perspiring. Leaves and flowers in the garden dried and fell to the ground. Water in the fountains began to boil. Birds flew away to escape. The lamps lit up and flames appeared in the air. People fled from the court in terror. As the emperor stood up, listening with awe, a rose that he often held in his hand drooped. Now Tansen's body was hot and feverish but absorbed in Deepak Raga. He continued to sing vigorously. Okay, children, on the day of performance, the court was filled to see this performance. Unlit lamps were placed. When Emperor Enterer sat on the throne, Tansen began to alap. As Tansen started singing, the surrounding grew warmer. The audience started perspiring. Perspiring means sweating. Pasina aane laga. Leaves and flowers dried. Water in the fountain began to boil. Birds flew to escape. The lamp lit up and flamed appeared in the air. People जो थे fled from the court in terror. डर के भाग गए. Even emperor stood up and listened in awe. A rose in his hand drooped. मुरझा के गिर गया. Tansen's body was hot and feverish. Feverish means बुखार के जैसा गर्म हो गया. But he continued singing. Okay, children, move to the next para. Seeing Tansen in this state, Rupa began singing Megh Raga. As her voice grew stronger and soared, the sky became dark with clouds. Soon, rain came pouring down. Many among the audience rushed out to be cooled by the rain. Soon, everything returned to normal. People showered praises on Tansen's genius. Though the emperor was very pleased, he was shocked that he had almost lost his greatest musician to the fire of the singers on music. Tansen's fame now spread like the flames of Deepak Raga. Centuries later, Tansen's music has lived on. It has been passed on from guru to disciple, and every year in Gwalior, near Tansen's tomb, a musical festival is held. Musicians come here from all over India to perform and play and pay homage to the Tansen. Okay? Okay, children. Seeing Tansen in this state, Rupa began singing Megh Raga. As her voice raised up and got louder, the sky became dark with clouds and rain came pouring down. Audience, what did audience do? Audience rushed out to be cooled by the rain, and soon everything seemed to be normal. People praises Tansen for his smartness. Emperor also pleased and was shocked to see his great musician. Tansen's fame now spread like a flame of a Deepak Raga. So children, now centuries later, what happened? When a century passed, Tansen passed away, teaching many music lovers as a disciple to Guru. पहले वो एक डिसाइपल थे, एक स्टूडेंट थे, और फिर अब ऐसे गुरु और दूसरे लोगों को म्यूजिक सिखाते सिखाते ही passed away. Okay, every year in Gwalior near Tansen's tomb, a music festival is held. Musicians come from all over India to perform and pay homage. Homage means Shraddhanjali, tribute to Tansen. Okay, children. Hope you understood the chapter. Okay. Thank you.